Alright, ready to rock and roll? There she is. Almost done. Almost done. She's going to get an FDE brace. FDE magazine. I got to put the dust cover on there. Other than the dust cover and the accessories, she's done 100%. So I'm going to go from tip to butt. The muzzle device is a 3-prong suppressed armament, 3-prong flash hider, Talos L for long, or Talos S for short, but this is a long one. You do have a Surefire M600B vampire light. You got the white light off position, and there's an IR. Surefire pressure pad, and it's all encased in a quad rail, 12-inch quad rail, 12.5-inch quad rail. Emissary development handbrake. Right there, that screw. It is an adjustable gas block, and she's tuned. She's such a soft shooter. What do we got for the barrel? 4150 chromoly vanadium, 1-in-7 twist. It is a Roscoe 12.5 bloodline barrel. Oh, she's a beast. She's a beast. 1-to-8 LPVO. The BCG is ceramic coated. It's unbranded. Anderson 7075 upper and lower. Charging handle. Holy Grail charging handle. Tango down. Reduced angle battle grip. And then your standard buffer tube, buffer spring, buffer weight. She is such a soft shooter. So beautiful. And the color, of course, everybody's going with the new fab, the new Geisley FDE or Geisley green. And they're going with the colors of the SIG Spear. So that's it. Dust cover and the accessories, a mag and a pistol brace that goes with FDE, and that's it. She's so beautiful. Let me turn it around. Oh yeah, she is absolutely beautiful. And it is a 1-to-8. Let me see if I can turn that real quick. That's in the off position, white light. Oh. And then the IR, if you could see that. I can't see from this angle. M600B vampire light. IR, white, and in the off position, so you don't accidentally hit the pressure pad and give away your position. Oh yeah, she's hot. She's hot.